Satam prasangan mama virya samvidaha, to hear about Krishna and his pastimes and activities. Where does that inclination come from? Unless we are inclined, unless that inclination, that propensity is there in the heart to hear, how can we sit and hear? When if you will see that we all devotees, we will sit and hear Bhagavatam for half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour every day. No problem. You bring a new person, 10 minutes he will sit in the class, after that he will start getting restless. He will start looking here, he will start looking there. Then he will see who has come, who all have come. That person is my friend, this person is my relative. His attention will go somewhere else because inclination is not there. That is for a newcomer, first time is hearing. For us, we are hearing same thing every day, day in and day out. But for us, we don't feel like that. We hear very attentively. How does that inclination come about in the heart? That is again explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam, in the same first canto, when all these narrations of the intense feelings of the Hastinapura Vasis is being described. The Bhagavatam mentions that how they have developed this kind of intense attraction for Krishna. So the Bhagavatam says that Satsangan Mukta Dussango Hatum Notsahate Buddhaha Kirtyamanam Yasho Yasya Sakriddeva Akarnya Rochanam. The Bhagavatam says about all these personalities who are never directly in touch with Krishna, but they all developed such intense attraction for Krishna. How? Because Satsangan Mukta Dissango, because they all had the opportunity to associate with Sat, with other devotees, with other Vaishnavas. The Pandavas themselves were great Vaishnavas. Naturally, all the other people who were there in the palace would have been associating with them. What is the effect of Satsanga? Satsangat Mukta Dussangaha. The first effect of associating with devotees is Mukta Dussangaha. Our attraction, propensity, inclination for Dussanga, for association of materialistic people, diminishes within the heart. This is the first thing. Because everyone in this material world is attracted to some or other material personality. Somebody is attracted to some political leader, somebody is attracted to some businessman, somebody is attracted to some scientist, somebody is attracted to some celebrity. Oh, Talaivara Parapa, Talava Parapa. And like this, this one Bollywood star, they will give some title. And அவங்க லைஃப் ஸ்டைலு, அவங்க பர்த்டே என்னைக்கு, அவங்க எந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸை போட்டுக்கிறாங்க, அவங்க எந்த கலர் அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும், எந்த ஃபுட் அவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கும். The people are so much, they get involved into the personal lives of such people. They get attracted, enamored by their activities, by their lifestyle, by their eating, by their drinking, by their dressing, their hairstyle. Even that is very attractive to the people. So much so that these cinema star, film star fans, and the fans இருப்பாங்கல்ல, எவ்வளோ அவங்க இமிட்டேட் பண்ணி வீட்டில் அப்பா அம்மா எல்லாரும் சொல்லுங்க, என்னப்பா இதை பைத்தியக்காரத்தனமா என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு டெய்லி திட்டுவாங்க, இருந்தாலும் விட முடியாது. Every day he will be getting scolded by his parents, by elders, by friends, everybody will scold. What is this, you crazy fellow, you are imitating that film star like this. You cannot give it up. So much attracted they are. Like this, in this material world, everybody is following somebody else or the other. Somebody is following some big philosopher, some big thinker, some politician, some singer, some businessman. Oh, look at this businessman. You can see in the business circles, they'll be glorifying one businessman. Oh, this man is so nice. He did like this, he did like that. And this is how he established his company and he grew it up. And about another businessman, they'll tell, look at his integrity. He is such a great man. He started in humble beginnings and this is how he grew up. His family, his history, his everything, their whole consciousness will be absorbed in their role model in life. But when we associate with devotees, satsanga, mukta dussanga, all this attraction for these materialistic personalities goes away. And on the other hand, what will happen? Kirtyamanam yasho yasya hatum notsahate buddha. One will develop an propensity to glorify Krishna constantly. Hatum notsahate. And one will be unable to stop himself from glorifying Krishna.